Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? I hope you are doing fine, and I'd like to welcome you to the new class for programmers in Python that I'm giving for you guys. And today we're gonna learn how to edit the Y line and to edit the X lines, because just like we saw in the last chart from the last class, we can see that this 11 is overlapping the limit line of the Y axle, and we have some methods to erase this problem in the chart. So what we have to do is to write plt.xlim to define the beginning and the ending point in the x line, and we can write plt.ylim to define the points of beginning and ending in the y axle. So how could we do this? You can see that in the x line you will have 1, 2, 3, and 4, but you can see that this vertical line here, this straight line here, is too close from the 1, and this other straight line is too close from the 4. So I can tell Python that I want him to start the x line on the 0.5, and I don't want this x line to end on the 5 point, in the 50 point, because it's gonna be too long. So I can tell Python that I want it to end in the 4.5. But our problem here is really the 11 on the x line. So I can tell Python that I want the y axle to start. No, yeah, it could start on 1, but I can tell Python to start in 0. But I'm gonna tell Python to start the y limit in the y on the number 1, and I want this point not to end here on the 11.5. I want this point to end on the 12. So when I run my file, you can see that this 11 is no longer overlapping the limit line of the y axle. So using this plt.xlim and plt.ylim, you can edit where the axles are gonna start and end inside your chart. Okay, so I'd like you enjoy this class, and I'll wait for you guys in the next class. Bye.